So you might be wondering for a way to basically morph transition in your slides here in Google Slides. Well, in this case, morphing your transitions in Google Slides is actually quite complicated here. Now, the thing with Google Slides here, their functionalities are quite limited, but there are some tools that you can still use here. First, go to Google Slides here and open up our project here that we may want to apply our transition. Now, in this case, what we need to do is, typically speaking, in your Google slide here, what we need to do is you want to go ahead and basically go to one of the elements, or in this case, you want to go and click on any of the options here. So you have transitions at the very top here. So go and click on it. And as you can see, you have like different transitions here. Now, you have this, so fade slide, from right slide, from left, flip cube, and gallery here. But if you select one of the objects here, you could actually click on add animations on it and basically choose one that is available. So you have fade in, fade out, left, right, bottom, and a lot more. Now, like what I said before, the functionalities or what you could actually do here in Google Slides is actually quite limited. So in this case, meaning that Google Slides, if you're going to look for any more transition, it will not be available via the platform. But then again, like what I said before, there are other tools out there that you could actually use, that you can basically use right now for free without paying for anything. So in this case, what we need to do is we want to go ahead and just basically get a PPTX version of your file or your presentation in Google Doc or Google Slides. So you want to go and click on the file to the top left, and you want to go and click on the option that says download and just choose PPTX. Now it's going to download your presentation. So in this case, the name of my presentation is going to be What's the Animal? So what we need to do is you just need to open Canva, which would have the option or the feature that we are looking for. Now, the great thing about Canva is you can actually use this for free. You don't have to worry about anything, but what we need to do is let's go and choose the upload button here. By the way, you may need to download or log into your account or create your account. But in this case, let's go and click on upload files, and let's go and just choose the file that we recently downloaded from Google Slides. Let's click on open. It's going to open or create a file for us. And what we need to do is let's just go ahead and click on it to open it up. And what we need to do here is we want to go ahead and go in between the actual slides here. Click on the add transition option here. And what we need to do is you want to go and choose the option here that says match and move, which is quite similar to how everything actually moves into for Morph. So the first thing that you want to do is, because as you can see right now, if you actually click on it, it will not have that same look that we're looking for. What we need to do is we want to change a few things here. Unfortunately, there are things that you may need to do here in order for us to basically have this effect. So first things first is we want to go and go to the first slide here, copy this one, and go back to our second slide here. You want to select that element that you want to basically move. Let's go and delete this one and just basically paste what we just copied. Go ahead and just copy whatever design you have before. Now from here, you want to go and go back in here. Go ahead and copy this element. Go back to the second slide, delete the other element, and click on paste again and move it around. So go and just resize this as well if you want to. Now from here, you want to go ahead and copy this one again and click, or while holding shift, click all of them. Click on the copy button and go back to your second slide, paste it, and you want to move this around because again, it's no longer present in our screen and we want to move them around. So in this case, let's go and basically move it out of screen, and let's go and click on present here. Or by the way, go and click on this one, by the way, if you want to move this on a specific way, but if you don't actually move this, it's just going to fade out. So let's just give you an idea here. We're going to click on present, and from here, when you actually move to the next slide, it's going to have that same transition or same effect that we are looking for as a morph transition. So yeah, again, like what I said before, if you want to move your transition in here, copy this one, go back in here, paste it again and again. If you want to move this at the very end here, so you want to have that white space, and let's go ahead and click on the present again, and let's go ahead and click on next. And yeah, as you can see, there's like the animation that you can see right now. But yeah, that's about it for this video. I'll see you on the next one.